This is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your tablet is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app, sign into your Google account. If you haven't already, then at the search bar type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can either start the installation from here, from the search, or open the app page and, tap at the same install button. Now we'll wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed, and since this is a relatively lightweight application and we have a fairly decent Wi-Fi connection, this process should not take a lot of time. Alrighty, so at last the Opera was downloaded and installed. For some reason it took it way longer than it usually does, but well, whatever. Once the app is ready, you can just go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time, you will need to complete the simple setup procedure. So first and foremost, tap at the blue continue button, or actually it skips through all the steps at this particular device and directly brings us to the last page, at which you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.